Have you noticed how the current COVID crisis is causing many thoughtful people to reflect on their lives, their work, and their future? It has for me. And if you're watching this video now, it's likely true for you, right? I mean, these are the times to take stock of our talents, our abilities, and passion. So let me ask you, which of these three camps best describes your current situation? 1. You're growth-minded, you've heard the motivational speakers, read self-help books, listened to interesting podcasts, attended inspiring seminars, analyzed it over and over, and now finally it's time to put your goals into action. Or 2, you've pushed, tried harder, worked longer, struggled, taken massive action, and still some goals or changes that you need to make somehow exceed your grasp. Or 3, you know where you want to go, who you want to become. You may even know how to get there, yet something still stands between where you are now and realizing the best version of yourself. Whatever your particular situation, you're not alone. As we become more aware, the most adverse situations create opportunities to be anxious and fearful, or become a launching pad to build on our strengths, set goals, become more resilient, and ready ourselves to control the things we can control. And even during a pandemic, prepare ourselves for a brighter future by choice and not by chance. So whether your next step is the achievement of an important goal, overcoming limitations, reducing stress, struggle, or simply becoming the very best version of yourself, now here's an opportunity to move your personal and professional life forward with the program Future Vision: 6 Steps to Harnessing Your Passion in the New Normal. You can participate in a couple of ways. First, collaborative coaching is available online through Zoom or in person. Another standalone or follow-up path is a do-it-yourself and ebook with step-by-step guidance. Of course, you don't have to wait for a crisis to improve your conditions. And whatever stage of life you're in, I urge you to think deliberately. Direct your thoughts rather than being pushed around by reality. Because even in tough times, you can be propelled to greatness as you've mastered your mind and deliberately filled it with love and purpose rather than doubt and fear. This is Darren Powers. I invite you to find out more about how Future Vision is a practical, proven, and accelerated path to becoming the best version of yourself. Feel free to contact me with your comments or your questions. Thanks for watching.